Back. So now we are starting a DSA problem solving series where we will cover multiple, what I can say, like examples which will be directly to the data structures and algorithm. So step by step we will solve the problem and we do see how does it work. So that will definitely help you to build your logic. So let's start with the first problem, that is like anagram. So first we will cover anagram, then merge interval, DFS, BFS, weather ladder and ATM design. So these are the different kind of problem that do we solve in a different videos. So let's start with the anagrams first. So what is the anagram and how we can solve this kind of problems with step by steps execution. Okay. Now let's come to this group anagrams. So what is a group anagram? First of all, understand what is an anagram. So anagram is kind of combination of two words. That means two words with the same letters arranged into a different order. Like for example, eat, tea and at. These are the three different strings, but they all three are having the same characters. Like for example, AET, 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 but they are in a different orders. So if same characters is present in the strings, if they are in a different orders, that is called anagram string. Okay, so here same characters we having AET, that is become a anagram. So let's say there is a one input. So we are having a multiple strings. So here eat, tea, ten, at, net, bat. So these are having like 6 strings. So what could be the output of this particular string? So all which are having the same character, like AET, AET, right? AET, they are coming into one particular group, and 10, A and T, they will come in a one particular group, and BAT, that is having a like ABT, so that is having a single string, they will come into next group. So here we are getting a like a group here like that. So AET 10 at will become in one particular list, 10 net will become one particular list, and bat will become like one particular list. So here it is coming into a different group. So one list will be become like a one particular group. So how can we solve this particular problem? So we are having a 3 steps. First we have to sort each word alphabetically. So that means whatever word we have, that will become a specific in the sorted order, ascending order. Like for example, EAT will at T, that will become a AET, right? Or like for example 10 and net, they will become ANT and ANT. So we will sort these characters, right? And second, we will use one HashMap. So all the sorted character that do we have, that do we keep into a as a key, and all the word that do we repeat, like for example eat, tea, at, that will become a value, right? And then we will return all the HashMap value as a group of result. So these are the 3 steps which you have to follow if you want to build this particular logic. Now let's come to the question here. I mean a program here. So that is the anagram, group anagram program. Now let's start directly with the main function. So we are having a main function, and we took a one string array like eat, tea, 10, at, net, bat. These are string array, and here we are calling a one function like group anagram. So now let's directly come to the group anagram. It will having a like it is returning list of strings, right? So it is returning list of strings. So one having a nested list, it will return here. And what is taking as an input? It is taking as an argument, that is a str. Str is nothing like having a 6 strings here, right? So what we are doing here, first we are creating. Now let me stop this. So it was we will debug that from the fresh. So first it is creating a new HashMap which is a 0 size. Now here we are coming with the strings, word and strs. So strs is nothing like having all kind of strings like eat, tea, 10, at, net, bat, all is present here only, right? So what it will read first it will read the first string called like eat. So it will read the first string and will convert that into a character array, right? So here it will become a 3 different characters, right? What the string we are taking, suppose EAT. So it will become like EAT in a different characters, and we are sorting them. So we are sorting, so that will become a AET, right? Then after that, we are creating a one string. So we are in the string, we are adding this complete AET here. Then here we are using one function put if absent. So if key does not exist, then insert it, right? Insert it means once whatever value we are coming, that is insert it here. If key is not exist, right? If key is not exist. So at beginning, whatever, right, sorted, we are having a one key which is a AET, right? And it is creating a new array list like that. So it is creating first new array list with the 0. So if key does not exist, right now there is a no key inside it, right? Because in the map we did not add anything. So that's why it is putting here. So there is a no key. So what will add here in this sorted? So what is the sorted? We are having AET. So AET will add here in this AET. It is going to create a one empty array list. So right now with this particular key AET having a, there is a no value. Array list is like empty here. Now what we are getting here, map.get, it is saying okay, sorted. Sorted is a one AET that string, get it and add what? Add word. So what is the word we are getting here? EAT. So one word will be add EAT with the corresponding AET key, right? Then again it is going to this loop here. So again it will iterate to the next word. So next word will be T, right? So next word will be the T. So what is happening here? Again it will convert into a character array, then it will sort it. So T is also having AET, so that time also the order will be the same, AET only, right? So then here it will become, it will convert into a characters, into a strings. Now it will check put if absent. So this time key is already exist. Key is already exist, right? So this part will not work. It will directly come to here. So map.get sorted. So what is the map.get sorted? That is the AET only. So it will put add. What it will add? Word. So what is the word? That means it will be T here right now, right? So next it is going for this iterate for this loop. Then it will become like 10. What is the next? That is a 10. So for 10 it will read the word and then it will convert into character array. So this time it will become a new character. So we are having a 10, right? So A and T. So that will become a ANT. Then we are going to sort them. So it is sorting ANT though. So it is converting into strings here. Then here what is happening? Map put if absent. So this time there is a no key present by the name of ANT because ANT is a fresh string right now. So it will add here with ANT. Again with the ANT it will create a new array list, empty array list, right? So again it will get map.get. So ANT corresponding ANT it will add one particular strings which is nothing like a 10, right? So that way this loop will work, right? Step by step it will iterate all the word and it will put them into a specific array list, right? So let me debug this once so you will get the complete idea for it. So for debug we will use one key F8. So I'm going to press step by step. So first we are having a strings like E, T, 10, at, net, like 6 strings we have, right? Then let's start with the first step by step F8. So what is happening here? We are having all the key. So first it will read the word. What is the meaning of word? What is the word here? Word is having only eat. So first word will become eat. str is having a complete array, right? So it will take the eat first and it will convert into a character array. So it will convert into a character array. Then it will sort them, right? And then it is converting into 8 into strings. Then it is checking put if absent. So this time there is a first key. There is a no inside them, right? So it will get here and it will say map.get sorted add word. So with EAT will be a word and add will be the key. So this 8 particular key, it will add EAT. Next go to the F8 once again. So again it will start with the loop. So next it will take the T. So what could the next word will be the T. So T will convert into a character array. Then it will sort it. Then it will convert into a strings, right? And then here it is checking if key does not exist. So keys already exist because sorted AT already present, right? So it will not create a new key for them. With the same key it will add the new word like T into array list, right? So size will become 1. Then again for the next word it will come to this 10. So 10 it will sort, so that will become a ANT. So here it will become ANT and ANT will add into this particular string, right? So here if it check put if absent. So there is a no key with the ANT. So it will add and it will create a one empty list here as well corresponding them. So this ANT that will add one particular word. Same like for next word that will become a ATE. So for AT again it is a like a AET only, right? So then it will add into a first string itself. So it will add into a first string that will become at AET. So that time this will become a 3. Then again it will take the new word like net. So net is also ANT. So it will add with the same key which is already repeated. So that way it will work step by step. And for bat it will create again new key, right? So how many key it will create? It will create only 3 key. It will create only 3 key. 1 key for AET, 1 key for ANT and 1 key for ABT. For bat only, right? For bat it will create a 1 key like ABT. So 3 key will be added as the particular key. It will add the particular characters. So same that whatever we are saying here, right? So ET at that will become 1 characters. So let me run this code. So here if I will resume it, so I will get the output here. Like for example, ET at that will be one particular list. Bat is a one particular list and 10 and net will be one particular list. So they are grouping into a group. So here it is returning into array list. So array list is having a map dot values. So we are getting only the values from the map and it is returning the new array list. So that way it is returning list into a list and that is displaying by this particular system.println. So that way we can see how this anagram, group of anagram, problem solve. So thank you guys. We will see the next problem into next video.